The Google Pixel 7 series is now officially here with some nice upgrades under the hood. Pixel 7 Pro features the series' newest powerful processor and new camera lenses, which you would definitely love to use the whole day. And more usage means you need more power for your device. That's why we researched and made a list of the top 5 fast chargers for the Pixel 7 series that can deliver faster charging to your smartphone. So, without further ado, let's get started. This 30-watt power charger with a single USB-C output from SyncWire keeps things simple for charging your Google Pixel 7. Compared to other chargers, this one is a lot more affordable. Due to GaN technology, this power adapter reduces size while increasing efficiency and improving heat dissipation. Despite its compact design, it packs a strong punch while in use. This lightweight and space-saving wall charger offers more power than a typical 30-watt charger, while taking up to 40% less room in your backpack or when plugged into a wall outlet. It's equipped with a built-in smart chip that provides improved protection and adjusts the current to your device's needs. To keep your connected devices safe, it has integrated overvoltage, overheating, and short-circuit protection. Looking for the fastest power adapter for a Google Pixel 7 at the best price? Why don't you get Google's 30-watt USB-C power charger? This charger is specifically built for Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro, but it works pretty well with Pixel 7 too. Google is always concerned about nature, which is why they use plastic made from 50% post-consumer recycled material for the adapter's enclosure. With a maximum power output of 30 watts, this power charger is suitable for charging small laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Compared to the previous generation 18-watt USB-C charger, it delivers up to 66% more power. It even features USB power delivery and programmable power supply protocols specialized for modern devices. Overall, this powerful charger has everything you need to fast charge Google Pixel 7 at maximum speed. If you're looking for a charger for your Google Pixel 7 that is small in size but provides double the power, look no further than Spigen ArcStation Wall Charger. This 27-watt charger is 36% smaller than the standard 20-watt conventional chargers. It's equipped with 3D printed circuit boards, which made it possible to get its sleek design. This charger is so compact that it saves space and does not interrupt other chargers while plugging into the same power strip or wall outlet. It even delivers stable power and a longer battery lifespan to keep your Pixel 7 safe. This universal compatible charger maximizes the charging speed of your device. The ArcStation intelligently detects the connected device and provides the exact and optimized power it requires. With power quality technology, it minimizes the ripple noise while charging and keeps the devices secure. AOHI USB-C charger is a powerful, compact, and lightweight charger that you can easily slip into your pocket or bag for daily use. This rectangular-shaped charger is 50% smaller than most 30-watt chargers and weighs only 0.09 pounds. It can deliver up to 30 watts of power, meaning by using this charger, you can charge Google Pixel 7 and other Android phones almost 3 times faster than the regular 5-watt chargers. Instead of traditional silicone, AOHI MagCube is made from gallium nitride, which delivers the efficient power you need for your Pixel 7. GaN circuitry also ensures safety, preventing the charger from getting too warm while it's in use. For an extra level of protection, this mini charger also features a 3-stage intelligent charging technology. Overall, this powerful little device is more than what you think. And finally, the Anker-Nano 3 is the overall best charger to juice up your Google Pixel 7 in a blink. It has a compact shape with an aesthetically pleasing design. It's roughly 70% smaller and lighter than most 30-watt chargers, making it ideal for fitting between larger plugs or a power strip. It has foldable prongs, which makes it great for travel. This 30-watt charger delivers super fast charging, allowing you to charge Google Pixel 7 in no time. And the intelligent power distribution technology lets you fuel up your earbuds, phones, tablets, MacBooks, pretty much any device that requires a USB-C charger. To give you an idea about how quickly it can charge, the Nano 3 can power up an iPad Air 5th Gen to 50% in only 45 minutes and an iPhone 13 to 100% in just 1.6 hours. Moreover, the Nano 3 features Active Shield 2.0, a proprietary technology that intelligently monitors temperature over 3 million times per day, protecting you and your device. So, that was a list of the top 5 chargers for Pixel 7 Pro. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and comment if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell if you want more videos like this on your feed.